movement of the community. So this project, a very simple project, we classify this a personal smart contract Ethereum blockchain project powered by OXA22 followed by 2296. This is a smart contract working for everyone, the community at WA. So when you talk about this particular project, what you need a personal private Ethereum wallet, either MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, MyEther wallet, any other wallet, but it must be a private personal Ethereum wallet. To get more clarity on this matter, simply go to step 0, doubleway.io. More clarity given for you, more knowledge is there. How to download the wallet, how to fund the wallet, and how to attach the wallet in this particular project. After you activate a personal smart contract Ethereum blockchain project, great thing happen. Huge quantum of Ethereum can be collected, accumulated in your personal private Ethereum wallet. Project, there's no middleman, there's no company. Therefore, there's no profit taking by one individual person. Ladies and gentlemen, the mechanics of WA, very simple mechanics, is wallet to wallet interacting in a very smart way, intelligent way in the ETH network of the Ethereum blockchain itself. So there will be two ways of interaction, upward and downward interaction. Your wallet experience an interaction with 8 level up with only 8 wallets. The same time your wallet interacting downward based on 2 by 8 force matrix system. Total connectivity with your wallet will be 510 wallets altogether interacting. Is how wallet to wallet is locked down in the smart contract or ETH network. In this particular project, no name, no username, no phone number, no email, no password needed. Only what you need here, a private Ethereum wallet. You can't use any public wallet here. So only private personal Ethereum wallet. No company, no middleman, no directors, no CEO, no human touch. So therefore, no tampering. No one can delete, no one can erase. Once the wallet is printed there in the ETH network, it's there permanently, forever. Okay. So this is how the total interaction. So the simple concept, okay, Double Way is riding on the decentralized platform in the blockchain. So you are the owner, you are the admin, you control the entire thing. It's called a peer-to-peer donation. You come here willingly, happily, sincerely, and you move, okay, in this particular decentralized model. So when we talk about double way, we reflect to the word of donation, and the understanding of donation means do it for the nation movement. So therefore, double way is a donation-based movement. Ladies and gentlemen, you must understand the word of donation in a crystal way. When people talk about donation, normally it's one-way traffic. You come, you give, you go. That's it. Because in donation, there's no any expectation of return. Okay. Similar thing in double way. You come, you give and go. But the mechanics of double way never let you go with empty hand because the giver become the receiver in this platform. In the smart contracts of the Ethereum blockchain itself, okay? So you come here as a donor, at the same time, you become an active donor. Keep on, you can give again and again and again. The reason why you can keep on, can give again and again and again, because you are receiving. All donations are delivered directly to the individual personal account. Your donation goes to your account. My donation is my account in the ETH private wallet. So every 64 days, potential gaining of huge number of Ethereum is there. Another beauty part is that 100%. Try to understand that 100%. No sharing here. 100% of all levels. We got total 8 levels donation. Total donation that we have here is called 510 donation directly connected to your wallet based on 2 by 8. And these 510 wallets will assign 100% of the Ethereum each level directly to your wallet. Huge. If you really understand, if you are smart, if you are intelligent, if you know how to plan and strategize the entire movement and build your structure, ladies and gentlemen, believe this movement pattern is your life-changing system. Therefore, we classify this as a family and community empowerment movement, a movement whereby the giver becomes the receiver. At the same time, in the concept of double way, as the receiver, you play a role to be a giver back again. This is what we call two-way interaction in double way. community. So we got altogether 8 levels total, level 1 to level 8. Level 1 is called the kickstart, the entry level. So you just enter the movement of WA with just 0.08 ETH. The next role, you build your structure. While building the structure, while building the community, okay, we transform together. So you receive, from what you receive, take it and use it to level up, level up, level up accordingly to whatever level your destiny will be. Ladies and gentlemen, the most critical, important factor in the direction of the movement of WA is the process of level up. You must know that level up is the most important, okay, in the journey of WA. Okay. Example, you are level 5. You level up to level 5. Okay. So level 5 means 1.28 Ethereum. Remember what you receive from the previous level, take it and use it to level up. Example, when you give 1.28 Ethereum, that 1.28 Ethereum, 100% of that goes to only one receiver. And the receiver placed 5 level above your wallet. Similar interaction happen downward. 2 by 8, level 5 means 32 wallets. When these 32 wallets are there, when they are also level 5, you are level 5, interaction take place. One by one will give their 1.28 Ethereum direct to your wallet. So therefore, okay, you receive total of 32 donations of 1.28 Ethereum directly to your private digital wallet. It's the mechanics of NWE. Okay, a great system not only for you, for everyone to undergo a transformation changes through WE. Yes, every 64 days a potential gain of huge number of Ethereum in this particular project simply because okay the effect of WE. WA undergo what you call the concept of doubling on parallel effect. Because of the doubling on parallel effect, that's why you see a great momentum movement through this particular project. Ladies and gentlemen, your wallet in the ETH network directly connected to two major factors. Factor number one is called the quantum of the Ethereum. The quantum of the Ethereum is going on doubling from 0.08 Ethereum. It doubled to 0.16 Ethereum. Another double up to 10.24 Ethereum. At the same time, your wallet are interacting with the quantum of the number of wallets involved in this particular project. Also undergo double, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. Because two factors happening same time, the number of wallets and the quantum of the Ethereum, that's the reason the impact is so too powerful. Okay, although your kickstart is just 0.08 initially, okay, at this level you see a great momentum of total of 3,500 Ethereum potential that you can gain through this particular project every 64 days. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, 1%, just believe 1% of this initially is more than enough to see a wonderful, colorful lifestyle in your journey of your life. So if you want to see, undergo the same impact in your life, what you have to do, okay, you must come here willingly, happily, sincerely to give away your 0.08 ETH as a do it for the nation movement. Ladies and gentlemen, you must understand your 0.08 ETH, the value in your fiat money, may be a nice meal, or price of one pizza for you. But remember, if you do it the right way, okay, this 0.08 ETH can be your life-changing system through this particular project of W. Sorry. Okay. So allow me to go in more detail, understanding again the 2 by 8 force matrix system. Altogether, we have total of 510 wallets connectivity directly to your wallet. These 510 wallets, okay, going to interact with your wallet. Every level of the quantum of the Ethereum here will be 100% directly. Like what I told you earlier, okay, that most important thing, the most important thing, okay, that what you must understand here, again, that there's no name, no username, no email, no password, all needed here. No human touch, just in the very high-tech technology, wallet to wallet interacting directly to this particular platform. So allow me to go in more detailed explanation. Like what you know, double way means it refer to a donation movement. So level 1 means you have to give away 0.08 Ethereum to one level above your wallet. Doesn't matter. Whoever plays one level above your wallet, okay, that wallet become the receiver of 0.08 Ethereum here. Remember, crystal clear, double way, it is classified as a community movement project. So therefore, it goes one level above your wallet. So same thing, the impact goes same impact. So one level below. The one level below your wallet will be okay. Two wallets in this particular project, okay. So two wallets, okay, that will give the same quantum of 0.08 ETH directly to you every 64 days. So therefore, every 64 days, okay, to this particular project, level 1, total donation that you can receive here is 0.16 Ethereum. You give donation, you receive donation. You give one donation, you receive two portion donations in quantum. So therefore, at this level 1, what you must do, like what I told you earlier, the most important process, the journey of WA is the level up process. Take it. What you receive from the community, use it to level up. Well done. Right now you are on level 2 in WV. 0.16 Ethereum goes to 2 level above your wallet.
Then can you see? He's actually explaining. This is his website. He's explaining.
Okay. So 2 level above the wallet. Okay. This 0.16 Ethereum is not from the pocket. The only donation that came from your wallet is just 0.08. That's all. What you're giving at level 2 is what you receive from the community. So therefore, you have entitled to receive 2 level below. 2 level below means 4 volts altogether. Listen carefully. When you are level 2 and they are level 2, the 4 volts level 2, interaction take place. All the 4 wallets will give the same impact like what you have done. 0.16 Ethereum, 2 level up. 2 level up means, okay, it's your wallet. So you are the receiver of the donation. So right now, you receive donation 0.64 Ethereum, okay, collectively from this particular project every 64 days. Take half of that, use that to level up. Well done. Right now in level 3 in W. Level 3 means what? 0.32 Ethereum. 0.32 Ethereum is not from the pocket, is what you receive, okay, on the previous level. That to level up to next level. And 100% of 0.32 Ethereum at this level goes to only one receiver. There is only one wallet, but it's placed 3 level above your wallet. Same impact. Okay, double way, two-way interaction. Right now, okay, the downward interaction 3 level below is called 8 wallets altogether. So it doesn't matter who plays the wallet because it is classified as a community movement. Okay, when the moment 8 wallets are there, and when the 8 wallets are level 3, you are level 3, interaction take place. So you start to receive what you call 8 times 0.32. You only give only one donation of 0.32. But in return of one, you are receiving 8 portion, same 0.32. So therefore, you receive 2.56 Ethereum at this level. Ladies and gentlemen, when you add on, okay, level 1, level 2, level 3, okay, total donation up to this level, okay, is about more than 3 Ethereum. After receive 3 Ethereum, what's the problem for you to give away again a small portion to move to next level? Like what I told you, level up is the most important process. With that level up, okay, you don't see huge accumulation of Ethereum in your wallet. So you are just level up for what you receive on the previous level. When the community give you a donation, okay, take it, use it to level up. So right now you're level 4. 0.64 Ethereum goes to only one receiver, and the receiver plays 4 level above your wallet. Remember, you came into journey of WA with just 0.08. From 0.08 to 0.64 is called 8 times more greater impact. So simply who gives the strength and the ability? The community of WA had transformed you, had empower you to give more. Why you give more? Because you receive more. In double way, okay, every person who become a receiver, they also become a giver back to the community back. The impact is like that. So at this level, okay, 16 volts are there level 4. When 16 volts are level 4, doesn't matter who plays the wallet. So when you work in the team, the process or the formation of building is faster. Okay. Therefore, when 16 wallets, when you are level 4 and when they are level 4, interaction take place. So therefore, you receive total of 16 donation, same quantum like what you give away, 0.64. So in return, again, you get 10.24 Ethereum. Ladies and gentlemen, at level 4 itself, you can change your lifestyle. At level 4 itself, okay, remember, you receive total when add on level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, 14 Ethereum. 14 Ethereum plus, okay, in Malaysian ringgit money, okay, is classified more than 15,000 ringgit when based on the price of Ethereum, okay. So you must understand it's huge, very, very huge, okay. For those in India, it's nearly 300,000 rupees. Enough to run a family. At level 4 itself, what's the number of people? What's the number of wallets involved here at level 4? 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. Why are you aiming for 3,500 Ethereum? Aim for level 4 first. Aim for level 4. Strengthen the level 4. Okay. So process is going on. Okay. After you strengthen the team up to level 4, then you and your teammates slowly move to level 5. After receive, okay, nearly 14 over Ethereum, what's the problem giving 1.28 and you level up to level 5? And level 5 is the most important level in double V. Because why? It's a turning point level in double V. The reason, okay, the impact of one donation that you receive at level 5 is huge. Because 1.28 Ethereum is a 1,300 ringgit Malaysia. 1.28 Ethereum, I think nearly about 20 over 1,000 rupees in India. This is huge. Okay, one donation, okay, you can receive means it's huge. Okay, so therefore, at this level, level 5 itself, you can receive 32 wallets are there, and these 32 wallets are there permanently. So the most important thing, build your team together with community. Once you build the community, strengthen the community. Once you have done that, okay, total donation that you can receive here, although you got 32 wallets, okay, the total donation that you can receive here is classified 81 Ethereum. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, if you take ownership, leadership, if you are committed, if enough knowledge, at level 5, only level 5, with only 32 wallets, we can strengthen the 32 wallets together with your direction, the total Ethereum that you can earn instantly is 40.96 times 2, 81 Ethereum, level 5 itself. It's called the impact of double V. So you must know, understand the process, how to maximize the accumulation Ethereum. You only can accumulate huge Ethereum when you allow your teammates to receive first. So it's a great system to enrich your community members. It is not a personal agenda. We all work together, share together, build together, and we transform together. Togetherness is the most important word. So when there's no unity in community, how to trigger the movement? It's not a personal agenda in double way. It's a community movement project. So therefore, after level 5, you have got enough knowledge, enough experience, okay? We don't need to advise anymore already. You know what to do, okay? When's the right time for you, you level up, whatever level in the destiny of double V. All together in double V, we got 8 levels. But remember, the most important critical level is called level 5. So do not go to level 6, level 7, level 8 when you can't strengthen your teammates. Going to one particular level is not important. The most important, again, you must team up and bring together. Togetherness, the most important in double V. So double V means, okay, is a community movement. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, we are building a new community. You know, I know, everyone understand. In this planet, 90% people who are living together with us are not the giver type people. They are only receiver. Okay. Most people, okay, they don't give. Why? That's the nature of people in planet. Okay, we are different. Only 10% people in this world, okay, are willing to give first before receive anything. Willingly, happily, sincerely giver are we called double way community people. And here, while you are building the community, the nation, okay, in double way, you are part of the receiver here. The model of double way in the smart contract allow you to receive. Once you become a receiver, use that to level up, level up, level up accordingly, whatever level your destiny level in double way. Total wallets are here, 510 wallets are given for you. These 510 wallets, okay, are going to interact with your wallet 100% quantum Ethereum every level. So, like what I told you earlier, WA undergo an effect of doubling in parallel. Ladies and gentlemen, the most important understanding in WA that you need to team up with your people. Without team up, no point level up. So team up and level up together is called people helping people movement. So unitedly, happily, helping each other move together. So you start the entire impact here with just 0.08 ETH at level 1. Okay. And then you become a receiver to this particular project. So once you receive the 0.16, use that to level up until never receive. Talk about level up process. Okay. So once you receive, use to level up and strengthen the team at level 2. At the level 2, when you strengthen, you receive 0.64. Use that half of that to level up. At sentence number 3, level 3, okay, you strengthen again. You receive, okay, use to level up. So the process of level up is the most important journey in WE. Level up accordingly. So from level 1 to level 5, it's very fast, pretty fast, okay? Within people have done that, okay? Slow and steady also you can do it in 1 month and strengthen the team at level 5. Make sure your teammates, all of them in your team, also undergo a wonderful lifestyle. Okay, a wonderful lifestyle is not 3,500 Ethereum. That 10 Ethereum initially is very good today. So you must build like that the process. Like what I told you, 3,500 Ethereum is a collective project. Why 64 days? Make it a 1 year project for you. 3,500 Ethereum is $1 million project. So make it a 1 year project for you. Slow and steady, you build a structure. If you don't have the speed, then do it in slow and organic way. So there are two ways to kickstart the project, either organic way or fast track way. Whatever way, double way is your way. So organic way means slow and steady. And that's the only capacity that you have. Your capacity is called 0.08 ETH. So from what you receive, okay, on the previous level, and take it and use it to level up accordingly, whatever journey in double V. So like what I told you, okay, we got 8 levels in double V. So 0.08 is called the organic way. You start that, slowly you build. While building the structure, okay, you start to receive, okay, and then you and teammates level up accordingly. And we have another one more way we call the fast track way. Fast track way means super fast, okay, because it is attract serious people, committed people, dedicated people, especially the crypto people. The crypto community people, they already made wallet. Not only that, they already made crypto money in the wallet. So when you approach them, when you talk to them 0.08 Ethereum, you don't resonate them. So simply, okay, they feel they need to go in a different fast track way. So 1.2 Ethereum, they understand crystal clear. Double way means it's not a business model. No investment, no mining, no trading, no buying, no selling. Only donation, do it for the nation. So therefore, they come here willingly, happily, sincerely to give away 0.08, 0.16, 0.32, 0.64, total 1.2 Ethereum as a donation first. They become a giver first. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you give 1.2 Ethereum, you lock all the 4 positions in double V. At this level, there's no structure below 4, below 3, below 2. No one there. But you are concurrently, immediately, instantly hold all the 4 levels in double V. Because people understand, crystal understanding the impact of fast track way. So example, okay, if you are a fast track way, you go ready-made community. So when you go no ready-made community, why you want to go fast track for what? Okay, so this model is only for people go ready-made community. either from the crypto world, business people, serious people, organization people. So when you have that kind of community, okay, well done, you move in the fast track way. And believe, okay, because they got ready-made community, the process of building here 2, 4, 8, 16, it happened in hours. You see, people have done this in hours. Okay, so all up to you how fast that you want to move. 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, all together, only 30 wallets there. Not 30 people, 30 wallets. Some of the people, the crypto people, if they come, okay, in the multiple wallets, 3 wallets, 1 ownership, okay, therefore only 10 serious people. So whatever way is your way in double V, the fast track way. So therefore, okay, the 1.2 Ethereum is the input and the output here, okay, is called 13.6 direct into your wallet. So every 1.2 Ethereum that kickstart this particular project, you build the structure in a fast way and you receive 13.6 Ethereum instantly. And after you receive 13.6 Ethereum, okay, the process of level up is much more easier for you. You use that to level up, level up, level up. After you level up, okay, up to level 7, okay, and you still experience nearly 5 Ethereum in the wallet. You just imagine your teammates under you. If you can do it this in the 3, 4 days and level up to level 5, level 6, level 7, again, of course, your teammates 248, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, all together 510 wallets, okay, also can undergo the same impact transformation like you in the fast track way. So, therefore, we know it's huge days to receive huge number of Ethereum. Ladies and gentlemen, you must understand fast track way is not locked for 1.2 Ethereum. No. Anything that move, again, the greater movement is called fast track way. Or you can come simply, okay, 3 levels at one go. Okay. So all 4 levels one go. Whatever impact, okay, is based on the capacity and the ability of the community that you have. So either fast track way or organic way, okay, both give the final destiny double way, which is called 3,500 Ethereum. Then why fast track way? Fast track way means what? Okay, you bring serious people, committed people, people from business people, organized people. People want to receive huge number of Ethereum with a short period of time, and the involvement community is minimal people. All that can be done in the fast track way only. Okay, so double way is a great movement. Okay, only for you, for me. Okay, not only for individual people. Is a great system for business people, for organization who want to use this model as a fundraising method. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, you must understand. Okay, 21st century fundraising method is by using blockchain technology. Okay, is a fully an automated cash flow fundraising system for organization. You can receive unlimited amount of donation all around the world. Simply, okay, if you know how to connect to the people of the world. Second, sorry. So it is a great system to enrich our community members. So therefore, it's a win-win synergy. Everyone can participate in this particular project. So you need a system. If you want to be a success in a short period of time, without a system, there's no direction for you. A system involved planning. Okay, you want 3,500 Ethereum. Okay, either in 64 days or 1 year. Okay, whatever thing. Where's the system? Where's the planning? No planning, no action plan, no goals. Okay, now when are you going to implement? And most important thing in the system, okay, is called the monitoring and the correction system. Remember, it is not an individual project. It's a team building involving community. Okay, therefore, you must willingly to work together in the community. So first of all, you must have the 62, the teamwork 62. You use as a password to enter my Zoom. What do you mean teamwork 62? The 2, the 4, the 8, the 16, the 32 wallets, altogether 5 levels. This called the very important level for you. Okay. So you must know the connectivity of 62 people, the name, the mobile number of them. Without knowing them, how to work in the team. And you know crystal clear, double way is a community movement, is a teamwork movement. So please get the connectivity of 62 people, work together, and then don't worry about level 6, level 7, level 8. That is not your level. The gold mine level for you, I repeat again, the gold mine level for you is only up to level 5. If you strengthen the level 1 to level 5 together with only one system, one vision, belief, okay, you can achieve huge number of Ethereum in a very short period of time. Ladies and gentlemen, your role must be changed. You must lead the group. You are a team builder here. Okay. So your role must be a project manager. Remember, it is $1 million project for you. With just 0.08 ETH, okay, believe is your life-changing system. So you must have a right system. Okay. Bring them again this one by one, a group of people in this particular project. How to activate them? First of all, you must download the Trust Wallet. Any wallet, okay, any Ethereum wallet will do, but it must be okay a personal private Ethereum wallet. One example here is called Trust Wallet. So when you download the Trust Wallet, okay, or MyEther wallet or MetaMask wallet, okay, there will be a personal private key. Please save that key. And my sincere advice: do not save in WhatsApp. Do not save in any digital platform. All that is exposed to hackers. Yesterday also, we got one complaint that someone hacked the Trust Wallet. Until, okay, there's no exposure of 12 words, there's no possibility people can enter your wallet. So you must take responsibility for your wallet. Okay, write the hardcover book and share it to your family, friends. Do not share to your upline. Do not share to anyone in the community. Okay, sharing of private key is not a community movement. Okay, so point number two. Okay, you need to have point one Ethereum in your wallet. How to do that? Okay, two ways. Either you connect to the third party or connect to the person introduced to you. Double way. So with that, okay, point number three. Okay, is the movement pattern by the people for the people. So what you must understand here, you must get the link, the upline link. Okay, someone must introduce you, someone must invite you in this movement. So there's a invitation code. The invitation code either www.io/numbers, or you can invite them by using your Ethereum wallet. If you're using Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet, you need to use this link number, W link number. But you, use MyEther wallet, you don't need the link number. Simply what you need, only the Ethereum wallet address, that's all.